Today we will be showing you how to set up your Samsung Gear S3 watch without your phone. To get started, let's power it on. As you can see right now, it's in a different language. So first thing that we can do is change the language right off the bat, so we'll make everything else easier. To do that, we will just tap on the language and scroll to your preferred language. That changes everything to English right there. And so to continue, we'll just go next. And here is usually where you would set it up with your phone. But since we don't want to set it up with our phone, we'll just scroll down to this question mark. We'll tap that. And we'll scroll down even more. And where it says tap here, we'll tap that. And we will continue. And here are the terms and conditions that you can apply, so you can agree to all of them, but you only need to agree to their end user agreement, and it requires you to make a PIN. So you got to create a PIN, and it can't be one digit for all four of the digits. Right here we will select your time zone, whatever it will be, and it makes it nice and easy as you can just scroll right through. You can select your month, day here. For the sake of the video, we will just go next. And to set your time, we'll just go ahead and skip that. And here it is, it sets up. Alright, now it just goes through some basic things whenever you set up a new watch. Just to get you familiarized with their OS. Alright. And that's how you set up your Samsung Gear S3 without a phone.